Great leaders, let us solve problems today using our BODMAS or PEDMAS. The BODMAS or the PEDMAS. Remember I said they mean the same. This is bracket, parenthesis, orders of exponents, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Let's solve some problem. Let's look at this problem. You're asked to evaluate this. Evaluate 9 raised to the power 2 plus 3 times 9 minus 5 squared divided by 4. That's what we're asked to do. 9 raised to the power 2 plus 3 times, in a bracket, 9 minus 5 all squared divided by 4. Now you will see that in the the BODMAS and the PEDMAS, we have brackets, parentheses. So people see call this bracket. This can also be called bracket or parentheses. So, but you need to solve problems that are in the parentheses or the brackets before you now go to order or exponent. So let's deal with that solution. You follow it gradually. You don't rush your work so you don't end up having the wrong answer. This BODMAS or PEDMAS is applied even in solving complex fractions and other problems. So the rules are the same. So if we want to start with this, which is the bracket or the parenthesis, we'll be having 9 square. But let me help you so that in case you're studying, in case you want to do some other problems. So I'll write deal with parentheses. So I have 9 square plus 3 times what I have there will be 4 squared divided by 4. 9 take away 5 is 4. So I've dealt with that. Then deal with exponent. Deal with orders or exponent. That will be 9 raised to the power 2. Orders or exponents. 9 raised to the power 2 is also an exponent. This is also an exponent. So I'll be having, we're going to have 81 plus 3 times 16 divided by 4. So we've dealt with the exponent or the orders. 9 to the power 2 is 81. 4 to the power 2 is 16. Now what follows according to BODMAS? Division. So deal with division now. Deal with division. So that will be 81 plus 3. Divide this by that, you have 4 times 4. Then what follows? Multiplication. Deal with multiplication. Deal with multiplication. Multiplication, that will give us 81 plus 12. Then finally, deal with addition. So 81 plus 12 will give us 93. So our answer is 93. If you don't follow this rule, you might end up solving this problem and you see your answer to be correct, but you're actually wrong. So this is the correct answer. Our answer is 93. Let's try another problem quickly. Let's try another problem using the same BODMAS or PEDMAS. We have 8 minus 8 divided by 4 times 2 plus 7. 8 minus 8 divided by 4 times 2 plus 7. Solution: 8 minus 8 divided by 4 times 2 plus 7. There's no parenthesis, there's no order, there's no exponent. What we have there is division. So deal with division first. Deal with division. So that will be 8 minus 2 times 2 plus 7. If you divide 8 by 4, you have 2. Good. After that, we have multiplication. So deal with that. Deal with multiplication. You have 8 minus 4 plus 7. What follows? Addition. What follows? Addition. Good. So you have deal with addition. I said always from the left to the right, so I'm going this way. So I'm going that way. That will be 8 plus 3 minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3. Then finally we still have 11 as our answer. So that is a problem. If you add all together, if you work on this operation, your answer will be 11. So this is how you deal with problems of this type. Now you carefully do this yourself using the same BODMAS or PEDMAS. Deal with this yourself. Do the following. Number 1, 10 take away 7 into 3 plus 2 plus 7 raised to the power 2. Number 2, you have 3 into 6 plus 2 raised to the power 2 in that manner, divided by 15 plus 5. Number 3, you have 3 times 5 minus into 12 plus 8 divided by 4 plus 2 raised to the power 2. So that's what you have. You should carefully solve these problems. Carefully solve these 3 numbers and ensure you have the right answers. 10 take away 7 into 3 plus 2 plus 7 raised to the power 2. 3 into 6 plus 2 raised to the power 2 divided by 15 plus 5. 3 times 5 minus into 12 plus 8 divided by 4 plus 2 raised to the power 2. So carefully deal with these problems and see if you're going to have the answers correctly. See you in the next class. Thank you.